Welcome to my channel. Today, I will share on how to create a Proxmox cluster with 2 nodes, and a special bonus tutorial at the end of this video, so please watch until the end. First, you will need a minimum of 2 nodes to create a cluster. Both Proxmox servers must be up to date and in the same network configuration. Log into the first Proxmox node. Under Data Center, look for Cluster option. As you can see, the first node doesn't have any cluster created or joined. It is the same on the second node too. Now, back to the first node. We will use this first node as the primary node to create a cluster. Click on the Create Cluster button as shown. Next is to create a cluster name. You can put any name you want. Once done, click on the Create button to continue. This may take a while, so please wait for it to complete. Once completed, proceed to close the opened windows. Wait for a while, the page will auto-refresh itself. Next, you should be able to see the newly created cluster name listed there. There can only be a single cluster for a node. As you can see, both the Create Cluster and Join Cluster buttons is now grayed out, preventing you from accidentally creating or joining a cluster. Next is to join the second node to the newly created cluster. But first, we need to have the first node's cluster information. Return back to the first node, click on Join Information button to reveal security key. Just click on the Copy Information button to copy it. Then, go to the second node, under Data Center, Cluster, and click on the Join Cluster button. And paste in the required information. You will also need to key in the first node's password. Once the password have been keyed in, click on the Join Cluster button to continue. Depending on your system, this process will take a while. I will now fast forward this section of the video. Once it's completed, you should now see both nodes listed in the cluster page. It will have the same information in both the first node and the second node. Congratulations! Now both nodes are in the same cluster network. Here is a special bonus tutorial on how to create tags for your virtual machine. It is very useful to easily identify the type of VM, such as LXC container, Linux VM, or Windows VM. Under Data Center, go to Options. Then, select Tag Style Override option. Next, click on the Edit button. There are multiple styles available to choose from. In this example, I will choose the full option shape. You can also define whether the tag's name is case-sensitive or not by checking or unchecking case-sensitive checkbox. To define the color for each type or category, click on the Add button. Now type a name for the tag, then specify background's color, and the text color of your choice. You can add as many tags as you need. But each tag's name must be unique and if possible, each have a different color scheme to avoid confusion. Once you are satisfied with your selection, just click on the OK button to save the changes. Now, to add a tag to a VM, simply select the required VM. At the top of the summary screen, you will see a pencil icon. Click on that icon to add a tag for this VM. Next, click on the plus button and type in the tag's name that you have specified earlier. Once done, click on the checkmark icon to save the changes. Now, you can clearly see the new tag that are assigned to the VM next to its name. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.